Donnie Lewis, the Rat Rods, 2 lanes, and neon. And we are on the Ohio River today in Clarksville, Indiana. We're gonna go to the Falls of the Ohio, the oldest fossil beds in America. Just found that out last night. This is a super neat old train bridge. That might be a whole other video itself right there. We're gonna go down to the fossil bed place and see what they got down here. Supposed to have a museum, and you're gonna go right down on top of them in the river. We're at the visitor center, interpretive center, and the overlook here is amazing. There's the train bridge, the lock dam area, of course the river, and there is all the fossil beds. Really nice set of steps, a couple different ways you can get down. We're gonna go down and check her out. We're down on the fossil beds now, and this one's really neat. There's my foot beside it. It's a big one. That might have been part of it at one time. The fossil beds are huge down here. It is neat. The washout right above the fossil bed and the bank's really neat. All kinds of little miniature caves under it. All the way down the shoreline. We came from right up there. There are so many fossils here, we can't possibly start to get 100th or 1,000th of them. But this is a real cool spot. See how big that one is next to my foot? And they're everywhere right here. Just everywhere. Just, it's incredible. Almost looks like you're on another planet down here, like the surface of the moon or something. Cannot get everything. It's just crazy. There's so many different ones and everywhere. There's just bunch. Here's some really good ones. There's another big one there. Totally awesome down here. It's free. Falls of the Ohio. Come down and check her out. Well, we've seen it and you've seen it, and we are trying to just grab a few quick pics to get out of here. But it's neat. It's free to go down the river. The tours are like $9 or something. But pretty neat. Like I said, it's all free. You have to come check her out. gonna get out of here. And here we have Rosie the Riveter. Greenway Park, I think it's called here. She was from Kentucky. Helped make the airplanes for the war effort. Neat, very neat statue. Try to get out of here. Had to stop for a photo op. Rosie the Riveter. After the war, she resided in Clarksville. Her and her 2 children, it says. She was widowed at 22. So, that's another good photo op here on the Ohio River. You have to check her out. We are right under the George Rogers Clark Bridge, or the 2nd Street Bridge. It's a flood wall, and there's an amazing mural here. Looks fairly new. We've been down here in the last few months and it wasn't here, so I'd say it's been put here maybe this year. It's really neat. It goes all the way down, through the other opening there, and that flood wall with that SUV come through, all the way down that other parking lot down there. It's all about Clarksville, Clark County, George Rogers Clark. Amazing. This stuff's just sitting out here. Get out and find it. Enjoy it. Yeah, it is neat. Well, we've got the last pic you've seen. We're gonna head out of here. The old train bridge back there. Saw the train rolling down. It's kind of neat. People's out enjoying themselves today. They're walking their dogs.
Oh, it is very baby.
It's a chihuahua. That's what we got. We've been out, sit all over that fossil bed. You just can't see it all. You can't take enough pictures.
It's beautiful down
It's
there.
huge.
Very nice.
You saw some of the pics. It's pretty vast. It's a great expanse of the collection of the fossils. So we're on the river, Ohio River here in Clarksville, Indiana. And the fossil area is free to go in. I think it's like $9 if you want to do a tour inside the interpretive center. We passed on that today. We just wanted to go down.
I just want to see the fossils.
We just wanted to go down and see the rocks and the fossils. So, till next time, this is Donnie Lewis.